Good morning. So we are having to stay in Florida for a little bit longer, even in this heat, because we have our grandbaby Gracie's second birthday, Noah's 17th birthday, and John Babe is still working. So then we'll be heading south to Alabama.
North.
Is that north? North to Alabama. And but until then, we're gonna just make the best of this gorgeous Floridian weather. It's usually really hot, but this morning it's cool and breezy. It kind of feels like I'm in California, believe it or not. So yeah, it's like 72, no humidity, gorgeous. Okay, so today we are going to Everglades manufacturer where they make this Everglades seasonings and marinades and stuff, and they've got hats and shirts and stuff, other stuff that we'll probably end up getting, but we just wanted to go check it out.
So afterwards, I think we're gonna go hit that farmer's market.
Yeah.
We need something to put whatever we buy, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. It's an indoor farmer's market, which is pretty neat. It's perfect. So it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll get some good grub.
Yes. And we will have a good afternoon.
Yep.
Yeah. So come on, let's go.
Here we are at Everglades. Get those poinsettias.
So get some marinade.
Yeah. Dinner's coming.
Kelly?
This is cool.
He actually was in,
Oh my gosh. In
In
the
that
movie
movie.
Gone Fishing. That's cool. But I'm definitely going to have to get a t-shirt.
Or a hat.
Or a hat, yeah. I have enough t-shirts, don't I?
Well, you have a lot of hats too. Right.
I never have enough t-shirts. Look at this. This is so cool. I like this hat.
Do you?
Yeah, don't you think that's cool?
Yeah, I just think you have a lot of grace. I was thinking more like this.
Those are good colors.
Okay.
This one's cool too.
Yeah, I like that.
Huh?
I like that one.
Yeah.
You want it?
Huh?
It's white though. I think this might be
That's
better.
awesome. The mopping.
With the muffin.
Yeah. Look at that. There it is. The news press. Huh?
What?
I made a haul. See this? And this isn't for Father's Day.
Uh-huh. That's your Father's Day gift.
Yeah, right. Because I got to do the cooking.
Yeah.
Here
So
we
now
go.
we're going to do some fried green tomatoes.
There we go.
Looking good.
Heck yeah.
Looking good, Mr. Everglades. So we just found out that the owner is Sebring.
Is Mr. Sebring
Mr. Sebring.
was the grandfather, his or great grandfather, whatever, started the town Sebring.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So
It's
cool.
a small world,
So cool.
isn't it?
It's so cute in there.
Yep.
Little lights.
Yeah.
All right.
There we go.
Here we go.
Oh, they got pickles. Oh yeah.
Ah.
They got reusable bags. What's the strawberry? Okay. Look at this. Strawberry onion. Grown in strawberry fields. We gotta get one.
Okay.
One giant one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bigger the better.
Let me get a basket.
Okay. That's why I smelled Cheetos, because it's Cheetos in here.
Blueberries.
Strawberries.
No, right here. Look. It's growing right here, man.
Pink
Want some?
cherries.
You want some
I want to
blueberries?
shop, so
Right here. Shop till you drop. What are these? Cherries.
turnips, Rainer cherries.
Meg. Habaneros. Oh my gosh, did you see these avocados over here? Did you see the avocados? Did you? Yeah. And some bananas. Those are like the ones I used to get you from Sarasota.
Oh yeah. Do you want to get one?
We should, don't you think? Are you gonna make us tacos or are you gonna make us suffer?
Well, I have planned before we take off on Friday. I have spaghetti tonight, and I'm doing peppers tomorrow that I gotta cook. Peppers and sausages. I don't have anything with avocado planned right now.
Okay. What's the frozen stuff? Yeah. Oh man. Holy cow. What's that? They got Yoder stuff. Look at this. Look at this. You see this bag of blueberries over here? And the peaches? Look at this. Caribbean rum, what?
Raisin ice cream.
Should we get
Yoder's.
some? Hey, all we need is some lime.
And a coconut?
Yeah. We got some.
Okay.
Local farmers.